Yeah, whooping cough, Lisa, as you mentioned, this is a springtime sickness that Grant County schools are trying to limit and get a handle on. They have alerted parents again last night with their messages about whooping cough, which is causing a longer daily sick list here at the high school and at several other schools in the district. Here's the latest information we have about it. There are 19 active cases in Grant County schools, according to the Northern Kentucky Health Department. They're asking parents to be diligent about any type of cough, fever, or runny nose, and if detected, to get their child to a doctor right away. The school district saying we are discovering that even those with the current immunization may contract pertussis and test positive. And here's what they're doing today on the reactive and proactive end.
The germ is largely airborne, but as an extra precaution, we have been doing a lot of disinfecting of classrooms as we find out which classroom is affected. We've even been on our buses doing the same thing. So we've been very diligent in that. We've been communicating with parents via our one-call system. We have a pertussis information sheet attached to the homepage of our website as well.
6 schools in the district, and 4 of them, we are told, have students sick with whooping cough this week. A short while ago, we watched as a neighbor picked up a junior student here who was feeling sick. That neighbor brought paper towels with her because she wanted that student to be holding them over her mouth. She was a little worried. That's how contagious whooping cough is. The district hoping to get a higher emphasis on that message out to parents today. If your kid's sick, keep them home. Reporting live, Grant County, John London, WLWT News 5.
Okay.